As part of cycle time improvements in 35.2, a new operation called Laser Ultra Combined has been introduced in OD corner end finishing or corner radius and ball nose cycles. So when we go to the digitizing operations, you can see here Laser Ultra Combined. So what this operation does is, so if you have a taper tool, a ball nose or a corner radius, previously you used to do the taper as a separate operation, the corner as a separate operation, and OD as a separate operation. Whereas now we combine all these three into the Laser Ultra Combined, and as you can see, we've got the profile, which is the corner radius, the OD, and the taper angle, all three done in one operation. And you also have the choice of selection of where you want to measure and up to where. Everything is in distance or percentage, or even the profile is in angle, distance or percentage. And this gives you huge cycle time benefits in combining all three operations into one. So this can be used. So if you have the Laser Ultra and if you have the option to use the profile for corner radius, etc., so this comes as part of an enhancement to that operation.